nieces and nephews, welcome to Auntie Nell's Kitchen, and I hope you're having a great day because I am. And to welcome to my new subscribers, welcome. Hope you stick around and keep hanging out with Auntie. All right, today we're going to be making potato stacks, individual potato stacks. They're going to be made in muffin tins. They're delicious, they're quick and easy. They're a great side and complement any dish. They're really good, okay? You know, Auntie knows, okay? So give Auntie a moment. I'm going to do a flip and a swip, and I'll be right back. And we're going to get started on these potato stacks. All right, welcome back. Okay, what you're going to need, a 12-cup muffin tin. Need a little pastry brush. Half a stick of melted butter. And as I tell you what you need, I'm moving it to the side. I'm using Yukon Gold. You know that's my favorite potato. And what I did, I've sliced them. They're not even circles. That's okay. As long as they fit into your muffin tin. And it took about, 5 to 7 slices to go into each little muffin tin. And you're going to need, for the first layer, the in-between layer, you're going to need 12 slices of cheese of your choice. I'm using provolone. Or you can use shredded. It's up to you. Some salt and black pepper to your taste. 1/2 cup of heavy cream. So, what we are going to do first, we are going to get our cream sauce together first. And this cream sauce is nothing to it but simmering your cream. That's all that is to it. So we're going to add our cream sauce, our heavy cream in here. Like I said, you add your salt to your taste, or any salt that you like. Any Mediterranean, Himalayan. Ooh, got a little goodness left. And your black pepper to your taste. And that's all I'm going to do is just bring this just to a simmer. I don't want this to boil like that. Gonna just mix this around. Just want it to just a quick simmer. And I'll be right back. I think I add a little onion powder. Ooh, not too much. Woohoo! I got a little onion powder, a little garlic powder. I want a little bit more flavor to that. A little bit more flavor. Get that little quick whisk. You know what? I think what else I'm gonna do. I think I want a little more. Last time I made these, I made them in jumbo. I made them jumbo style last time. I can't remember. I'm gonna add another 1/2 cup of that heavy cream in here. You can make them in jumbo because last time I made them in jumbo because my potatoes were so big. So yeah. Just bring that to a boil. Okay, this is done. Now remember, you don't want it to cook. You don't want it to boil because then you'll start getting, it'll stick to the bottom. So I'm going to transfer this into another bowl. Stop that cooking process. Put that over there. A little housekeeping. Now, while that cools off, now we're going to move the board over. And I'm going to get my muffin tin. Little white, little crusty stuff came from, I was measuring out my potatoes. So you're gonna just re-stir your butter to get that goodness melted in here. And you're just gonna make sure you get your rub down each tin really good with that melted butter. Get that melted down. So I'm gonna get these all rubbed down, and I'll be back. Now, with the rest of the melted butter, I'm going to take the rest of my melted butter and pour it into my hot cream mixture. And give that a good mix that up. And put this over to the side right now. So, have my potatoes. Now, I'm going to start off with my potatoes. I'm going to take half of them and put them down like that. And then I'm going to take some cheese and put them on that. And the same thing goes for each stack. Just half of them down. Cheese, put them down. I'm going to complete this process with all 12 cups, and I'll be right back. All right, now we have the cheese layered between the potatoes. Just split, like I said, there are 6 slices, 3 slices down, and put the cheese between there. Now you're going to take your cream mixture, and you're going to put it in your cup. Get it halfway. This is basically potato au gratin in muffin cups. You really want to be honest about it. It's potato au gratin in muffin cups. And what you do, you make sure you do this first and get all your cups filled halfway before you start trying to top it off. So there's an even amount of cream mixture. Glad I did use 1 cup. That's why I said, let me go back. Because when I made them in larger cups, I used a whole cup. That's why I looked. I said, that don't look like that's going to work. That look like it can use this one. Look like it can use a little more. That one too. Okay, and these will go into the oven on 350 for 40 minutes. And what you're going to be doing is checking for tenderness and doneness. And I will see you guys in a jiffy. Okay? Oh, bake covered. Forgot all about that part. Bake them covered. These 4 sheets were sitting right there. So I said, you know what, let me use them for me going to get that big box of 4 for this little bitty pan. Again, see you guys in a minute. Okay, the potato tins are done. The tender, this is what you're looking for. Your potatoes are nice and tender, not mushy, because we're not making mashed potatoes, but they should be tender. Okay, then we're going to top them with a slice of cheese on top. So this is so easy, so quick. So easy, so quick. The longest part is slicing the potatoes. And what I do, since I've cut the potatoes, to fit the pan, waste not. I don't waste anything. I just put those in a bowl, threw them in the microwave, made a little quick bowl of mashed potatoes. So these are going to go in. I'm just going to melt the cheese and let it get a nice, cute little brown crust to it. And then we're going to scoop one out and we're going to cut into it. Guys, look at here. Here we are. Here's our finished product. And let me scoop one of these out. Should let it rest a little, but I shall see. Should let it rest. I'm going to scoop one of these babies out. And the rest of them can rest. How about that? Eeny, meeny, miny, moo. I think I'll just get use a spoon to scoop. How about that? That work? Let me go in one minute so you guys can see. And here it was look like. Here's your stack. You got that au gratin sauce right here, the layers. You got that cheese in between there, and then you got that good cheese on top with that toastiness. And let's see. Now it's extremely hot, hot, hot. So as you know, hot, hot, hot cheese slides just like it would a pizza, right? So we can see if I can use a better with a steak knife to cut into it, because I really want you guys to see. You know how I'm about cutting this side of things. So I'm going to try to hold this together, me and my southpaw, so you guys can get a really good look at that inside. Because that's what I want you guys to really get a look at. You know how I am by showing you guys inside of things that have been cooked. Oh, look at that. See, it's falling because that meltedness, that goodness. Guess I should have just let it sit a little long because it just came out the oven. But it will suffice if I move it over here to the corner. That's right. Keep your tail over there. Stay on the sideline. And I will put this right here so you guys can see. There you go. These are your potato stacks. They're served hot. See, once you serve them, they can smash them, let them slide all over the plate if they want to, right? But these are the potato stacks. And I hope you guys make these for yourself, your family, your friends. And you know, like I always say too, keep them to yourself. So these are potato stacks. And like I said, I use Yukon potatoes. You can use Idaho, whatever potato. You can use red potatoes if that's what you like to use. Whatever you want to use, that is perfectly all right. Okay? Hold on, my nieces and nephews. Thank you guys for hanging out with y'all, Auntie in Auntie Nell's Kitchen. I really appreciate y'all support to my channel, and I hope you make this delicious dish. Hope you make rumbles, stumbles, and crumbles. What can I say? I hope you make this delicious dish for yourself, your family, and your friends. I'm quite sure they will not like it. They'll love it. Basically, like I said, it's potatoes au gratin, just individual. You could even put them in ramekins, you know, and serve them, you know, really cute for the upcoming holidays. You know, that'll be a really great idea. You put them in individual ramekins, so that way you can don't have to worry about slicing the potatoes to fit muffin tins, because the potatoes are already be size enough to fit into ramekins, right? So, you know, what a great idea to serve with these upcoming holiday meals, right? So again, to the next upload, hugs and kisses to each of you. Love you guys. To the next upload, I'll see you guys later. Bye.